How to set up OBS Virtual Camera for Discord. First, make sure you have OBS Studio open on your computer. Choose the scene you want to use for your virtual camera. You can always change this later if needed. Once you're ready, click on Start Virtual Camera in OBS. Now open Discord and go to the bottom left corner. Click on User Settings. From the left-hand menu, scroll down to App Settings, then click on Voice and Video. Scroll down until you find the Camera section. Click on the drop-down menu and select OBS Virtual Camera. If you don't see it in the list, don't worry. Open File Explorer and go to This PC. Then open your local disk, C. Navigate to Program Files, then find the OBS Studio folder. Inside it, go to Data, then OBS Plugins, then Win-Show, and look for the Virtual Camera install file. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator, then follow the on-screen instructions. After that, go back to Discord, open User Settings, Voice and Video, and check the camera drop-down again. You should now see and be able to select OBS Virtual Camera. Go back to OBS, right-click on your source, hover over Transform, and select Flip Horizontally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.